Hello everyone, let's try to solve this question. I have already made a video on this. There I didn't explain you the solution. So in this video, let's try to discuss the solution also. Okay. This is the cleavage of ethers topic, right? So what happens here? Before this, I have already created a detailed video on cleavage of ethers. So I'll add that link. I'll add that video to this particular short so that you can watch it easily. And if you watch that video, you might not have any confusions over this concept. Okay. Here I'm just explaining the solution. So if you want to know the detailed explanation of this topic, you can watch that video. Okay. So yeah, here what they have given. Oh, and here this is. These are all methyl groups. I'm not just mentioning it. Here, first step is what? Protonation, right? So here the lone pairs on oxygen, it will get protonated. I mean, it abstract the hydrogen H plus, and here what we'll get? Here we'll get this OH positive, and this will be whenever there is a possibility of tertiary carbocation or benzylic carbocation or allylic carbocation. In these cases, it occurs according to, we'll get the product according to SN1. That's it. Okay. Because in SN1, as we know that it will form a carbocation and then nucleophilic substitution takes place, right? So here what happens means this bond, this bond shift towards here and it will form a tertiary carbocation. So we'll get here this way. We'll get OH over here and it will form this tertiary carbocation. And then after this I negative will attack on this tertiary carbocation and will get this product. Okay, I hope you have understood. This is the main thing over here. Whenever there is a possibility of tertiary carbocation, here if you break this bond, there is a possibility of forming tertiary carbocation. Okay, so that's why we have done through SN1. If there is no possibility of forming any of these things, then we'll go for SN2. Okay, means SN2 means this I negative will attack on less hindered carbon. Thus, that's it. So, what is the option over here? Which one is this one is the correct option? Okay, so option 4 is the correct one. So, I hope you have understood. If you want a detailed video on these things, you can check out that particular video. I'll add the link to this particular short. So I hope you have understood. This is the main point over here. Okay. Yeah, that's it for this particular shot. And just take care of yourself and be kind. Bye.